Welcome to Bez Reviews, where we break down the latest in smart home tech. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Roborock Saros 20 Robot Vacuum and Mop, a premium cleaning solution promising extreme power and automation. If you are looking for top-tier cleaning convenience, stick around for the full breakdown. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's talk about what truly matters for a robot cleaner: its core cleaning power and overall automation. The Saros 20 brings some impressive numbers to the table. This section covers how well it cleans floors, from dry debris to wet messes, and how much effort it saves you. We are looking at suction, mopping, self-maintenance, and its ability to handle different floor types. The Saros 20 boasts an Extreme 36000 PA digital motor that pulls dust and pet hair from deep gaps with ease, complemented by a dual anti-tangle system for hassle-free cleaning. This system features 212 F hot water mop washing and 131 F hot air drying within the dock, ensuring a deeper clean and preventing odors for a fresh home. The new RockDock delivers true hands-free care with up to 65 days of auto dust emptying and self-cleaning maintenance, making daily upkeep nearly effortless for you. Its AdaptiLift Chassis 3.0 dynamically raises the body to glide over thresholds and uneven floors, effortlessly crossing significant steps and cleaning deep carpets without interruption. Overall, the Saros 20 offers an incredibly robust cleaning package designed for maximum effectiveness and minimal human intervention, making everyday chores significantly lighter. Next, we'll examine the brains behind the operation, focusing on its navigation, how it handles challenging areas, and the smart features that make it easy to control. This chart dives into its ability to map your home accurately, avoid common household clutter, and reach every corner. We will also cover the app experience and its overall value proposition. StarSight Autonomous System 2.0 provides ultra-precise navigation with 3D TOF sensors and an RGB camera, detecting over 300 obstacles to deliver smoother routes and complete coverage. The ultra-slim design allows it to glide under furniture as low as 3.13 inches, while FlexiArm technology extends the side brush to clean corners and edges thoroughly. The AI-powered Roborock app provides full control, including SmartPlan 3.0 for optimized routines and even a built-in RGB camera to check on your pets anytime you need. With a price point of nearly $1,600, this is a premium investment, but the Saros 20 delivers an impressive array of high-end features and automation for that cost. The Saros 20 combines advanced intelligence with smart physical design, ensuring it navigates effectively and cleans thoroughly, all managed conveniently through its robust app. The Roborock Saros 20 truly stands out for its comprehensive automation and powerful cleaning capabilities. From its 36000 PA suction to the intelligent RockDock that handles everything from hot water mop washing to 65 days of dust emptying, this robot delivers remarkable hands-free performance. While the premium price means it is a significant investment, the advanced features and consistent performance make it an excellent choice for those seeking the ultimate in automated home cleaning.